So I think your reliability and professional in the team is an extremely important part of any organization. What the home doctor does to make sure we take care of that, we provide constant training for our team. We always make sure we're up to date with a lot of the current materials that are out there. We do on-site training, we do classroom training, and we make sure that all of our employees, our installers, and our representative are fully trained to be able to provide you the best services.
In your opinion, how does reputation and customer reviews factor into the decision-making process when selecting a contractor?
Reviews are extremely important when selecting a contractor. Now, these are a lot of red flags. If you do not see positive reviews, you should run fast. But at the Home Doctor, we make it a point to make sure our customer has a great experience. We give them white glove service. We go out to the house, we make sure everything works, and we make sure they have a smile on their face. And that way it ensures that we get 5-star reviews, and we want current customers and also future customers to understand that the home doctor is going to be able to take care of you based off the reviews that we have.
Are there specific qualifications or certifications that homeowners should look for when hiring a contractor for exterior remodeling projects, such as roofing or siding?
Absolutely. You want to make sure somebody's licensed. You want to make sure somebody's insured. You want to make sure that somebody has done business before in your area and that they've done it correctly. You should always ask for references. You should always ask for referrals. And you should always be able to look at the quality of work that they have. Make sure you break down a list of questions to ask that contractor, and they should be able to provide that to you.
How crucial is communication between the homeowner and contractor? And what tips can you offer to establish effective communication throughout a project?
Communication is extremely important when working with the contractor. It's our job to make sure the customer understands the entire process from start to finish. When initially getting the appointment, initially going through the design consultation, and then actually providing on everything that we have to offer the customer. And from there, we do a final walk around, and we make sure that the customer is smiling from ear to ear before we ask for any payments or finalization of the job.
What role does transparency play in building trust between homeowners and contractors? And how can homeowners ensure they are working with a transparent contractor?
Transparency is extremely important. You want to be transparent on timelines. You want to be transparent on the products that the customer is getting. You want to be transparent on what's currently out there and the cost. Now, if a contractor does not, that's a red flag right there, and you should run from that contractor. But from start to finish, you should know what you're getting, how you're going to get it, and when you're going to get it. And that's what we provide you here at the Home Doctor.